In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Minecraft on PC and laptop, Java Edition 2025. First, you want to make sure that you're going to minecraft.net. I'll put the link in the description, and you want to make sure you're on a page that is similar to mine. Then you want to click on Account. You want to click on Signed In. And then you want to click on Sign In with Microsoft. So you need a Microsoft account in order to sign in. If you do not have a Microsoft account, you'll need to sign up for one. And then once you have finished signing in, you'll see a page that looks like this. And then you'll notice that under Minecraft Java Edition, there's a button that says Learn More. If you haven't purchased Minecraft Java Edition yet, you'll see something that's called Buy Now. So if you haven't purchased it, you have to click on Buy Now. And then once you have finished purchasing Minecraft Java Edition, you want to click on Go to Downloads here, and then you want to click on Downloads for Windows. Just note that for any version that you want or other versions of the platforms, you can download them here. As you can see, there's Mac, there's iOS, Android, Windows Legacy. So you want to click on Download for Windows in my situation, and then you want to click on Minecraft Installer once it's finished downloading. This should pop up a window, and you'll notice that it says Welcome to Minecraft. You want to make sure you click on View Microsoft Software License Terms to read it, and then you want to make sure you check the box for I have read and accept the Microsoft Software License Terms, and then you want to click on Install, and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care.